Shopify just dropped a batch of powerful new features for Spring 2026 editions, and these are the top 5 you need to know. We'll show you what each one does and exactly how to use it, so your store doesn't get left behind. Let's get into it. This first one is a fundamental shift in how people discover and buy your products. Your products can now show up and sell directly inside AI channels like ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot. A shopper searching for products through tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Google AI Mode, and Gemini can now see your items with real-time pricing. Checkout right there in the conversation, and the order flows straight into your admin. This works through the Shopify catalog, which structures your product data so AI agents can read it and keeps your pricing and inventory in sync. According to Shopify, traffic from catalog-powered AI searches converts about twice as well. That's accurate data from your store versus what gets scraped off the internet. To manage it, go to your admin sidebar under Sales Channels and click Agentic. This is your command center. Sales by channel, performance reports, and an Explore checklist that confirms your products are synced and your policies are compliant. You can even test a query to see exactly how your products rank in AI search, and Sidekick flags what to fix. You control which channels can find you. Flip on Allow Shopify to manage for me, or take per channel control yourself. Best part, if you're on Shopify, this is mostly set up for you and active by default once you're eligible. To qualify, you need to be US-based, have products eligible for the Shopify catalog, set up your store policies, agree to the supplemental terms, and not require login before checkout. Now, managing all of that across AI channels in your storefront is a lot easier thanks to the next update. Sidekick, your AI assistant inside the admin, just got a major upgrade. The biggest change? Sidekick now works with the apps you already use. Starting with partners like Judge.me, Klaviyo, Loop, and Smile, Sidekick can answer questions and take action right inside those apps. Check campaign performance, review loyalty and returns activity, create promotions, or troubleshoot store operations, all from one chat. Some apps will even take you straight to the right place to finish the task. It's also gotten proactive. On your Shopify homepage, you'll now see Sidekick recommendations, action-oriented suggestions based on your store's activity like complete this product listing. It's live with no SEO metadata. These sit alongside insights, which are data-driven observations about your sales, sessions, and fulfillments. And when Sidekick is working on a longer task in the background, you can track its progress right from home. No need to keep the chat open. Here's the one I love: Sidekick on your Apple Watch. Using voice mode, you can tap the Shopify app or a watch face complication and just ask, "How many unfulfilled orders do I have?" Or, "What were my total sales today?" Your answer is spoken aloud and summarized on screen. It's built for quick check-ins on the go. It won't make changes to your store, but for a fast pulse on your business between meetings, it's genuinely handy. And if you'd rather have Sidekick's intelligence working on your marketing too, that brings us to one of the biggest changes in this release. First thing you'll notice, your marketing tab is now called Growth. It's the new home for campaigns, attribution, and a brand new experience called Campaign Autopilot. So what is it? Autopilot uses your store's products, customers, and sales data to automatically create and manage marketing across channels. Shopify messaging for email, shop campaigns, and meta ads. It can generate branded emails and automations tailored to your store, like abandoned checkout recovery or a welcome series for new subscribers, and recommend ad campaigns and acquisition offers matched to your business. Here's the key part. You stay in control. Autopilot recommends tactics, but nothing goes live until you approve it. In your admin, head to the Growth tab. During setup, you connect your channels. Set guardrails like spending limits and custom rules, and choose your permissions, whether Autopilot runs on its own or asks you first. Then it analyzes your store and drops recommended tactics into a Pending Actions section, where you review the audience, budget, and schedule, and click Approve or Dismiss. You can monitor performance, pause anything, or switch it all off at any time. And you can ask Sidekick to help set the whole thing up. To use it, Autopilot is in early access for select merchants, so sign up right from the Growth tab. You'll need to be on any plan except the Agentic plan, have Shopify payments active, and have the marketing staff permission. It's free to use, you only pay for the marketing you actually run. All that marketing is driving traffic somewhere, and increasingly that somewhere is the Shop app, which just got a serious glow up. Shoppers can now discover, compare, and research products entirely through conversation, with recommendations that learn their taste and get smarter over time. For you as a business owner, that means more ways to get found. So let's run through the ones that matter most. First, posts. Right inside the shop channel in your admin, you can create shoppable posts, add a headline, caption, media, and tag your products, and they show up in shoppers' home feeds, following feeds, and on your store and shop. Even better, you can sync content you've already made from Instagram Reels and other partner apps, so your social content does double duty without extra work. Next, the one everyone's talking about, the shop skill for personal AI agents. Shoppers using AI surfaces like ChatGPT, Copilot, or Shop can search with natural language queries like, "Find me waterproof hiking boots under $150. Eligible merchants' products, U.S. shipping stores that meet Agentic Storefronts requirements, are automatically syndicated into these channels via the Shopify catalog. The checkout in supported channels runs on Shopify's Universal Commerce Protocol, or UCP. The product discovery is live now. In-chat checkout is still rolling out by region. It can prepare a checkout, and if the shopper sets a budget and turns on Allow Agent to Pay for Me, the agent can complete the purchase on their behalf. That's a completely new way for customers to find and buy your products hands-free. Then there's Sign In with Shop. When a customer signs in with their shop credentials, they get one-tap checkout with their shipping and payment info pre-filled through Shop Pay. And if you've got Shop Pay activated, it's already turned on for you. You can also drop a Sign In with Shop or Follow on Shop button right into your theme. And one fun discovery feature worth knowing, pair it with. A shopper snaps or uploads a photo of any item, and Shop's AI surfaces products that complement it. It's a small thing, but it's exactly the kind of feature that puts your catalog in front of the right buyer at the right moment. So your products are everywhere, and your marketing's running itself. Now let's talk about running the business behind it all. The theme here is simple. Shopify wherever you work. All you have to do is connect your go-to AI assistant, ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity, to your store to add products, check orders, update prices, and pull reports, all in conversation. To set it up, install the Shopify connector from your assistant's Apps Connectors directory and approve the Shopify admin consent screen. Remember that installing requires a Shopify staff member with Manage and Install Apps and Sales Channels permission, and an admin on your ChatGPT or Claude Enterprise workspace. And if you build or customize your store, the Shopify AI Toolkit plugs Shopify into coding tools like Claude Code, Cursor, and Gemini CLI, giving your AI Shopify's real docs and code validation so it stops guessing. The easiest way to connect it is the plugin. In Claude Code, it's one command, Claude plugin install, Shopify AI Toolkit. But the update most of you will use daily is the new analytics. Open your dashboard and insights surface what's trending. No digging. If revenue on jackets is up 3 weeks running, add an annotation to mark exactly what changed. You can also filter reports by your meta fields, like color or material, to spot that your plum windbreaker is outselling everything, then set a metric target to track progress toward your goal. Here's the powerful part. Flow can now pull from your analytics. So the moment that windbreaker hits 90% of target, you can auto-alert your team to act before the moment passes. And since you made it this far, here's a bonus round. A quick tour of what's new in the Finance tab, depending on where you're based. First, the United States. If you run paid ads, you can now earn cash back on your ad spend when you pay through Shopify Balance. In the example Shopify shows, that's 1% back, so a $2,500 ad bill returns $125. You can also add cash to your Shopify Balance account at participating retailers like Walgreens, CVS, and Walmart. Just generate a barcode in the Shopify app and hand it to the cashier, and send domestic wire transfers to your vendors straight from Balance. Next, if you're in Canada, Shopify Tax is now available. This is big if you're managing the complexity of GST, HST, PST, QST, and RST. It auto-calculates the right rates using your product categories and tracks your liability thresholds right in the admin, so you know exactly when and where you need to start collecting. And finally, if you're in France, Shopify Capital has officially launched for you. This gives eligible businesses access to flexible funding that's repaid automatically through a percentage of your daily sales. You apply right from the finance page in your admin. These are small features, but with real money, wherever you're selling from. That's exactly the kind of update worth knowing about. And that's a wrap. We just walked you through 6 updates, but this release has so much more packed into it. Head to Shopify's official editions website to explore everything. The link is in the description. This is Learn with Shopify, an official Shopify YouTube channel. So hit subscribe to level up your store and build a more successful business. The algorithm picked this next video just for you. Tap the thumbnail on screen to keep learning.